Great morning, everybody. Um, Today's message, Buddhi ka var. What is Buddhi ka var? Uh, we all have an intellect, and that intellect is the tool, the instrument for us to make choices. Now, the choices that we make are made on the basis of our subconscious conditioning. The subconscious conditioning is 95%, the conscious mind is 5%. Now, it's a very simple thing. If 5% is conscious and 95% is subconscious programming, how is it possible for you or me to make the right choices? We understand that there is no right and wrong. There is no good and bad. There is no pure and impure. There is no positive and negative. That's the higher level of spiritual understanding. However, if we understand that to reach that state, we need to clear our karmic debris of the subconscious mind. And that's where spiritual practices come to play. Chanting, breathing, meditation, mindfulness, journaling, contemplation, attending spiritual gatherings, which is known as satsang. Why do we go to satsangs? Why do we go to temples, mosques, churches, gurdwaras? It's very simple. The energies are of supreme divine consciousness over there. And that's the reason why we feel calm, peaceful, balanced. How do you want to be? You need to ask yourself this question. The Buddhi ka var is something that only you can do. But you cannot do it alone. You need a helping hand. It could be a friend. It could be your parents. Can they? A family member? Can they help you? Truth is, they can try to help you. But the ultimate truth is, they may not be too successful. That's where you need a life coach. Not a life coach, just a life coach. You need a life energy coach. And that's me. So if you wish to connect with me and for me to share the secret of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then send me a WhatsApp message on 937106747. Have a super awesome Buddhivar day. God bless, abundant love, light and blessings with divine positive energy to each one of you.